Hey there, fellow AI enthusiasts. Have you ever visited the HuggingFace website? If not, you're missing out on tons of cool AI models. Right now, I'm using the OpenHermes 2-5 Mistral 7B JJP model that I deployed myself from HuggingFace on TypingMind. It's fast, lightweight, nails math problems like a champ, and even supports streaming responses. The fact that I can deploy and use any open source AI model from HuggingFace is just awesome. So today, I'll show you how to deploy your own open source LLMs from HuggingFace and use them on TypingMind. First things first, head over to ui.endpoints.huggingface.co. If you aren't logged in yet, go ahead and do that. You'll need to add a payment method since the service charges by usage hour. It's pretty straightforward. Click New Endpoint. Then, select the model you want to deploy. You can choose a custom model or from over 60,000 transformers, diffusers, or sentence transformers models available on the HuggingFace hub. I went with the Llama 3.8b Instruct model. Quick note, there can be some issues when deploying certain models. For example, when I tried to deploy the Llama 3.18b Instruct BLH model, I encountered an error saying rope scaling must be a dictionary with 2 fields. If you face similar issues, you'll need to modify the source code, upload the fixed version to HuggingFace, and try redeploying. Next, pick your cloud and select a region close to your data to comply with your requirements, e.g. Europe, North America, or Asia Pacific. The default suggestion is usually the optimal choice, but you can select your own. Just make sure not to choose a low-memory GPU for a high-memory model. Automatic scale to 0 is crucial if you want to save costs. I set mine to scale to 0 after 2 hours of inactivity. The only downside is that it takes a couple of minutes to restart after scaling to 0, but that's fine by me. For endpoint security, I recommend using the protected type. You'll need a token from HuggingFace to access it, which I'll cover how to retrieve later. There are some advanced configurations available, but we'll skip them for now. All right, everything is ready. Click Create Endpoint. It will take a couple of minutes to initialize the endpoint. Well done, the endpoint for this model is now ready to use. Just a heads up, the usage cost is starting to count too. Before adding this model to TypingMind, you need to get an API key from HuggingFace. Head to the HuggingFace website and log into your account. Click on your profile avatar in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings sidebar, find and click on Access Tokens. On the Access Tokens page, click the Create New Token button. In the Create New Access Token form, give your token a name, like TypingMind. Check the necessary permissions. For general use, you might check Make calls to the Serverless Inference API and Make calls to Inference Endpoints. After setting the permissions, scroll down and click the Create button. Copy the token immediately and store it somewhere safe. So now you've got your API key from HuggingFace. Ready to use it on TypingMind? All right, let's move over to typingmind.com. Click the Model button, then Manage Models. Next, click Add Custom Model. Fill in the required fields like name and icon URL. Copy the endpoint from your model page that you just deployed in Inference Endpoints. Be sure to add /v1 chat completions at the end to make it compatible. For the model ID, you can also copy this from the model page on Inference Endpoints. The final step is to add custom headers. Type authorization in the first box, then bearer, followed by the API key you just created. Click Test to see if it works. If all's well, it should work, and you're ready to chat with your own deployed models. I can say that the speed of the 2 models I've deployed so far is incredibly fast. They give me instant answers right after I ask, and their performance is good in the open source model category. You should definitely give it a try. You've now gone through all the steps to deploy any open source models you'd like to chat with. If you need any help, please comment below. And if there's anything specific you'd like a tutorial on, let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot. Thank you, happy typing, and I'll see you very soon.